Explosive leaked documents into hotel quarantine have uncovered protocol breaches and secret investigations. A senior bureaucrat is facing the sack as debate rages over what sparked the Holiday Inn cluster that sent us into lockdown. Stephanie Anderson with more.
Charged with stopping the COVID spread in our volatile quarantine system.
So the key here is exploring all of the possibilities.
Matthew Bush is accused of not practicing what they preached, refusing to get tested as per protocol.
The issue, I think, with Mr Bush goes more to an issue around his attitude.
In documents leaked to The Australian, the General Manager of Infection Prevention and Control is said to have been leaving the Intercontinental Hotel on April 20 after a visit lasting nearly 4 hours. An ADF corporal told Bush they needed to get a COVID test due to the length of time spent on site, to which the manager replied with words to the effect of, "I override the protocol," then left without signing out.
This staff member didn't get tested at one site but did get tested at the second site.
The trained nurse who founded a platform to connect people with their elderly neighbours
There was untapped potential in neighbour-initiated care.
is also accused of failing to change a face mask and sanitise when entering another hotel in March.
It wouldn't constitute as significant IPC breaches.
Today, however, those incidents did constitute a significant change to the executive's employment.
The staff member has been stood down.
The acting premier has only done this when it's been exposed in the press.
It's much better that there are these reports saying if you see something, you say something, as opposed to we don't want to know about it.
The documents give new insight into the controversial Holiday Inn cluster that spiralled the state into a lockdown, with a leaked report detailing how the virus first escaped into a corridor when a woman was swabbed for an extended time. Then air conditioning pushed it down the hall, pooling outside the door where the man with that infamous nebuliser was staying with his family. His use of the medical device further spreading the germs, ultimately infecting staff and another resident.
The nebuliser is still the working hypothesis for that matter.
But for the man who used that nebuliser, a sense of vindication, telling 3AW's Neil Mitchell, "I am very glad this has come out though. It continues to show there's systematic problems that need to be resolved." And the list of revelations keeps growing, with a staff member sacked for using an e-cigarette in a break room, air systems turned off to conserve power, and unvaccinated contractors allowed to work in hotels.
The government has not learned the lessons from those 800 tragic deaths.
If we took the advice of the Liberal Party, we'd still be in lockdown.
A member of the Gang of Eight who contributed to 801 deaths shouldn't be lecturing anybody.
Stephanie Anderson, 9 News.